I'm going to show you how to find your world seed in Minecraft, both on Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel to support it. Let's start with Java Edition. While you're inside your world, simply open the chat and type /seed, then press enter. After that, your world seed will appear on the screen. You can right-click the number to copy it. Alternatively, you can go back to the main menu, click Single Player, select the world you want, and click Recreate. Here, click on World, and you'll be able to see the seed another way. Now, if you're using Minecraft Bedrock Edition, go to the main menu and click Play. At the top, select Worlds, then choose the world you want to check. After selecting it, click Edit, then on the left side menu, click Advanced. The very first option you'll see is your world seed. Simply copy it, and you're done. And that's how you can find your Minecraft world seed on both Java and Bedrock. If this video was useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials.